How does insulin resistance spiral into a burst appendix? Let's break it down in 3 minutes. Hey everyone, insulin resistance isn't just about blood sugar. It's a domino effect that can wreak havoc on your body. Let's dive into the science. Insulin resistance spikes cholesterol and lipids, clogging your liver with fat, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This swells the liver, increasing blood volume in the portal vein. This results in portal hypertension with increased blood volume and esophageal varices, GERD, acid reflux, hemorrhoids, internal and external, and varicose veins. To cope, your body triggers angiogenesis, where new blood vessels form to bypass the liver. Blood skips the liver's detox and floods systemic circulation, causing trouble every time a person eats. Food is blamed for the symptoms it causes, rather than the true cause. This bypassing blood creates varices, with esophageal blood vessels swelling, distorting the lower esophageal sphincter, causing acid reflux and GERD symptoms. Above, symptoms of brain fog and headaches. Down below, pelvic congestion with menstrual and infertility problems, internal or external hemorrhoids, and varicose veins in your legs. The myth is that exocrine pancreatic insufficiency occurs only when there is a more than 90% loss of exocrine pancreatic function. The truth is it occurs much sooner, and sadly, medical doctors will not recognize the symptoms of exocrine pancreatic insufficiency until over 90% of the pancreas is damaged. Exocrine pancreatic insufficiency is a gradual subclinical destruction rather than a precise cutoff in pancreatic function, and thus patients may benefit from early recognition. The chaos hits your pancreas, causing exocrine and endocrine insufficiency. This means it can't produce enough digestive enzymes or insulin, leading to subclinical pancreatitis. Pancreatic secretions rapidly become activated and can autodigest parts or all of the pancreas. Chronic pancreatitis forms pseudocysts, sacs of fluid, that leak pancreatic enzymes into your abdomen. This causes ascites, a buildup of fluid in your belly, causing a congestion of fluids in the pelvis. These leaked enzymes are like wrecking balls, attacking the intestines, appendix, and pelvic organs with proteolytic degradation and cytotoxic reactions. Your appendix's lymphatic tissue swells, trying to soak up the mess. Doctors see this inflammation and often diagnose a burst appendix, but it's really the fallout of insulin resistance. The medical perspective is that worst comes first. They prefer to wait and see until hepatic cirrhosis is fully developed. Until then, there is nothing to do but prescribe drugs for all the associated symptoms of insulin resistance and its complications. Beta blockers and Prilosec promote externally low stomach acid, setting the stage for exocrine pancreas insufficiency. Enzymes are trapped in the pancreas, are activated, and start the destruction of the insulin-producing cells. Insulin resistance is a chain reaction: fatty liver, varices, pancreatitis, and even a misdiagnosed appendix. Catch it early with diet, exercise, and health advice from HyrSelf Functional Medicine. Hit that subscribe button for more health insights. Drop a comment. What health topics should we cover next? See you in the next video.